else can I say that I have not mentioned before? You know, I think you're an amazing musician that really has come so far for sure. For the life of me, I just cannot understand how anyone could hate you when you're such a beautiful man. Maybe they're just jealous of how good you really are, or maybe they're just plain stupid and in their own life haven't made it that far. You are an amazing man, and sexy as well. I would love to do bad things with you, and no one we would have to tell. You rock me to my core with just the sight of you. I can't imagine how I would react standing right next to you. I do know one thing for sure, my panties would probably be wet, and I am sure it would be an experience I would never forget. Machine Gun Kelly, you are my number one. Machine Gun Kelly, you will always be until my time here is done. Machine Gun Kelly, what else can I say? You stole my heart and soul in many, many ways. Machine Gun Kelly, Machine Gun Kelly, Machine Gun Kelly, I love you. Machine Gun Kelly, you're an amazing man. Machine Gun Kelly, Machine